I just replaced a soccer coach with AI, and it built a full elite-level training system in seconds from just one sentence. Watch this. I typed, "Create a professional AI soccer coach." That's it. And it didn't give me generic advice. It said, "I'll build a professional AI soccer coach app with a bold, tactical aesthetic." Then it built TacticAI with a dark field grid, neon green accents, and a pro coaching mode. It looks real. You can click 4-3-3, formation, pressing triggers, set piece design, goalkeeper training. This isn't random tips, it's structured coaching. Now watch this. I click goalkeeper training, and it builds a complete framework with 4 core pillars: shot-stopping mechanics, distribution, sweeper-keeper play, set position, footwork patterns, reaction saves. That's real tactical language. Most importantly, I didn't design this structure. I didn't outline the pillars, and I didn't build the UI. I just typed one sentence, and AI created a professional coach. If this is what one sentence can build, imagine what happens when we push it further. I'm building real systems with AI, apps, tools, coaches, everything. Subscribe, because this is just the beginning.